Champagne, I got that big bag, back pain. Taking the piss, the only time I can't aim. So we toasted a good life, living every minute to the full, cause I could die. Pull up at the spot, open doors, and it's suicide. Chillin' rent free, what the check? Please, my 100 G's on
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Hey, 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 no nail. Hey, hey. Alright guys, welcome to another video. We're at Moon Palace. As you can see, the view is to die for. Oh my god, this is the lobby area by the way, and I got my complimentary drink. People are nice and friendly. I like the customer service. Complimentary drink, not really to compliment my taste buds, but that's fine, that's fine. And watch people. I know COVID time, I can't stay home. Anyways, I got my wristband to enjoy the property a little bit. The room wasn't ready. They said it would be ready by 3 and I was there like about 1 p.m. So I'm just gonna enjoy the property. Oh my god guys, look at the water. Watch water come off a rooftop. No man, this place is too nice. Watch bridge, I go over water. Watch nice place. Somebody can pay for me to stay here forever. Anybody? Anybody? Any takers?
Watch Betsy. Watch good,
yeah. So this is what the property looks like, guys. This is the beach. I know you guys can see this is the beach, but I have to say it the same way. It's not there's not much sand space, but you know how global warming, sea, ocean rise, ice caps melting type of thing. Yes, so I was hungry. I went to the jerk out to get something to touch up my little stomach, and the food really tastes all that good, but I took jerk pork with other side of festival bamia and the corn.
The bathroom is immaculate. It's just a bathroom done at the snack bar. I mean, guys, in here smell nice. In here look nice. Watch marble on the wall. Watch something for hang up your things them. I'm just coming here because I'm gonna go eat and then I say, want piss. So yeah. What girl come up here, bro? Yeah.
Yes, just let down my hair and just get turned up. Yeah, do it like my birthday. Hey, baby. I was trying to do the mega knees thing here. I'm not sure that's how it really works, Arisha. I don't think that's I don't think that's how it works at all. Alright, so this was me here trying to do a sexy slow-mo thing, like sexy, be sexy, sexy, be sexy. Quack, quack, quack. This not look good. I'm not liking this for you at all. Alright, so I was looking out a little bit, watching this lady enjoy herself. I'm just wanting to say the Japan bus her head. Anyways, bad man is ahead of a thing. So I was going back to the lobby area to see if I could, secure my room. It's about 3 o'clock now. This is what these people are going on with. Had to join back the line because I'm not really sure how the process goes still. But yeah, in 2 tools we get through. And there's the food. I got this for my dinner. I hope I mix up something, guys, like pizza, fries, vegetable, shrimp, or a different type of shrimp, chicken. They realize my birthday, baby. Ross, man, hold it round. Do it like it's my birthday, baby. It's my birthday. Why am I getting a birthday cake? I could be texting someone already want to go and say, yes, that's the answer. I'll go and check it. The evening breeze. I'm social distance at the same time. I get me because And the moment that I have been waiting for, the flow rider. Guys, the flow rider not working. I don't love this for me. I really hate this for me right now. The flow rider isn't working. I wanted to cry. I mean, like, this is why I came here for this. This is why I came here, though. Like, it's working, guys. Oh my god. Relief. Yeah, so I had to sign up, right? And here I am trying to not die. Guys, I was so excited, right? He was trying to tell me, how to use it and how to, navigate myself, but Jaja. Boy, let's try again. I don't know if I wasn't taking on to the instructions well, I was just focusing on not getting the water too much in my face. Like, I was worrying about what if the water blow off the whole of my wig. Oh god, like, I was just thinking about too many things at the time, so I wasn't even focusing on what to do, guys. But let me tell you, guys really should try and save up some money and come Moon Palace, because it is definitely worth it. Like the flow rider, I could have one like this in my backyard. Somebody can build a flow rider for me in my backyard for me, please. Pretty please. So it's just me trying again. Go girl, you go girl, you go girl. And let me kinda catch on. See me I swing to the left and I swing to the right. Cause the trick is for you to put your most of your body weight at the edge of the board at the back part, and you lift up the front part so that the water can push up underneath it, and then yeah. I tried and it was so fun. Like, I had to try again. You see them thing wet boy, yeah? Every time I drop off, like, they just can't wait to see me fail. And I them that they can't see me fail, and them that they take over the board, like, not because they can do it good. You live here, sir. You live here. You can literally just give me a chance. Anyways.
See you, bitches. Bye bye. I'm gonna leave us see. Whoa. We can't